is writing here on the screen? 8ADBA. Please write your name here. I want to see the name of the students.
Sir, Manisha.
Sorry. Who are?
Sir, Manisha Kumari.
Write your name बेटा. Join by name. आप अपना नाम लिखो बेटा. Let's change your name here. Wow, only few students are here. Ankit, Anish, Gunjan, Karan, and Kunal, Rohan, Sonali. Where the rest are? और सभी बच्चे भाग गए क्या? योगिता, मनीषा कुमारी, गुड.
ऊपर.
और ये रिया कहाँ चली गई? दो रिया, रिया सुना, रिया कुमारी. रोहन कुमार शर्मा, गुड. Dear students, as I have mentioned here, today we shall discuss about the story The Tiny Teacher. The Tiny Teacher. Do you know na? The Tiny Teacher.
Yes, sir.
Right? The Tiny Teacher, you know very well. You have studied the books. Your teacher have taught the lesson. So you know the story. So today I would like to know the summary of the lesson, The Tiny Teacher. Yes, who sees in front of me? What's your name, girl? May I know your name? Manisha, who sees? You are Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Oh, let us see here. Dear students, first of all, I would like to call Karan Singh. Karan ahead. Karan,
Yes, sir.
today's subject is the summary of The Tiny Teacher. Right?
Yes, sir.
First of you tell me, who is the tiny teacher in this lesson?
Sir, ants.
Ant. Very good. Why it is a tiny teacher? Why it is called a teacher?
Sir, because they teach us to live in peace and many other things.
Very good. Very good. Teacher means some special behavior, a special way of doing jobs, a special quality. Those who are having some special quality, a special virtue, that is called a teacher. So here in this lesson, our tiny teacher is an aunt. An aunt is teaching us a good lesson how we should live in the society. Right?
Yes, sir.
एक जो चिट्ठी है बेटा, वो हमें एक बहुत अच्छा पाठ पढ़ाती है कि हमें समाज में कैसे रहना चाहिए. आज जो मनुष्य है वो तरीके नहीं जानते हैं कि हमें समाज में कैसे रहना चाहिए. बट जो टाइनी टीचर है, जिसे हम एंट बोलते हैं, वो हमें रहना, मिलजुल के रहना, शांति से रहना, वो हमें एक लेसन सिखाती है. तो इसलिए इस एंट को टाइनी टीचर कहा गया है. टाइनी, अ वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज, दैट इज अ टाइनी टीचर. राइट? क्योंकि वो
Yes,
साइज
sir.
में तो बहुत छोटी होती है, साइज में बहुत छोटी होती है, इसलिए हम उसे टाइनी टीचर बोलते हैं. right?
Yes, sir.
Now here I would like to start from the Karan. Arrest the children, please off your sound. No voice should come here. Everyone have to listen only. बाकी बच्चे, रिया कुमारी ऑफ,
Good
मनीषा
morning, sir.
कुमारी, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. Please off your sound. When I will take your name, then you have to speak. Otherwise, you don't have to speak here. Oppo A5s. Who is? Write your name here.
Sir,
Change your
मेरा है.
name.
Yes,
Change
sir.
your name.
Yes,
I
sir.
want
Yes,
to
sir.
see the name. Sorry. बेटा यहाँ नाम बदलो अपना. स्क्रीन पर नाम दिखाई पड़ना चाहिए टीचर के सामने. जब तक नाम दिखाई नहीं पड़ते हैं तो टीचर को कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन बच्चा है. So write your name everyone. And whenever you are joining the online classes, you must have to write your name, because by name you will be called by the teacher, right? So here only Karan, rest of the children will be silent. Only Karan will start. The Sunny Kumar, off your
Yes, sir.
voice. Off. No sound. Audio should
Yes,
be
sir.
off. Off करो बेटा. Yes. Manisha. Yes. Now Karan, start. Say the summary of the lesson. Tiny teacher. Start बेटा.
Okay, sir. Sir, ants are commonest and smallest organism which teach us many things. They are wisest tiny organisms.
Well, continue.
सर थोड़ा टावर का प्रॉब्लम था.
Oh, you have having problem in tongue.
नो सर, सर नेट स्लो चल रहा था.
Oh, net problem. Okay बेटा, no problem. Okay. Just let me ask. ठीक है, other children. Okay, no problem. Ankit Raj. Who is Ankit Raj? Ankit Raj.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, Ankit
But
Raj.
sir, I have no book.
Which book?
Sir, supplementary.
But
And
this is
alien
not a
fact.
right answer. ये आंसर सही नहीं है, क्योंकि पिछले कई एक दिनों से आपके टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं कहानी और पीडीएफ भेजे हुए हैं.
Yes, sir.
और after a long time you are complaining that I don't have book. This is not good बेटा. In time you have to complain.
सर, मैं
आपको तो
बताऊं?
पहले बोलना चाहिए. आपको पहले बोलना चाहिए ना बेटा.
Excuse me, sir.
आपको पीडीएफ भेज दिया जाता. आप बोलते अपने टीचर से, आपके टीचर तो क्वेश्चन आंसर भी लेने वाले थे, टेस्ट लेने वाले थे ना. पता
Sir,
है ना आपको?
notebook.
Yes, sir.
रिया, डोंट स्पीक. Only I am talking to Ankit Raj. Only Ankit Raj will talk to me. Okay, अंकित बेटा, यदि
Yes,
आपके
sir.
पास नहीं है सपोज, तो आप बोलना चाहिए. आपको पीडीएफ भेज दिया जाता बुक का और आप उसका कॉपी कर लेते, आप उसे समरी पढ़ लेते. तो पहले बोलना चाहिए ना. गॉट.
Yes,
हम पहले
sir.
बोलते हैं तब तो आपकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते थे ना हम, राइट? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, यू लिसन ओनली टुडे. ओके बेटा, आप केवल आज सुनेंगे.
Okay,
Anish.
sir.
Yes, Anish, can you hear me? Anish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. You say a few lines about the tiny teacher. Speak. Yes, Anish beta. Start. Anish. What happened, Anish? See,
सर मेरे
children.
बुक में नहीं है।
Sorry. क्या नहीं बेटा?
सर नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है।
अच्छा, नेटवर्क इश्यू हो रहा है बेटा?
Yes, सर
ओके, अच्छा।
सर मैं बताऊं?
अब देखते। हाँ सन्नी, यू वांट?
सर
ओके,
बोलूं?
गुड। आई स्पीक। वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड। सन्नी स्टार्ट बेटा।
सर हिंदी में बोलूंगा।
इन हिंदी? ओके,
यस सर।
स्पीक, बट यू हैव टू। ओके ओके ओके, ट्राई।
हर चींटी अपने हिस्से का काम चतुराई और बहादुरी से करती है। इसी प्रकार चींटियों का जीवन बढ़ता ही शांतिपूर्ण होता है। हम 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 चींटियों के जीवन के बारे में अन्य बहुत सी बातें जानते हैं। लोगों ने चींटियों का पाला है। उन्हें इनके दिन प्रतिदिन व्याप को निकट से देखा है। चींटी अपने फिर से ये एसिन का दूसरी चींटियों से बात करने या अभिवांश करने के लिए प्रयोग करती है। चींटियों कई प्रकार की होती हैं। उनमें सबसे साधारण चींटियां काली ये लाल चींटियां हैं। बस, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much, Sunny. Thank you so much. But from the next time, you have to try to speak in English. But thank you so much, because you have come yourself to say something. आपने खुद बोला कि सर मैं बोलूं, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you so much.
सर क्या मैं
थैंक यू
Okay,
सर। थैंक
thank
यू
you
सर।
so much, beta. Okay, but you have to try to
Sir,
speak
can
in
I
English.
speak?
Okay. Now this is the term of Sonali Mahapatra.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay, rest of the children. Tiny, not teeny beta. We pronunciate it like the tiny teacher, the tiny teacher.
Yes, sir. The Tiny Teacher is a story that teaches us about the tiniest teacher we can learn from. It tells us about the ant who can be a great teacher if we look closely. An ant is a creature that can teach us great things about how to become disciplined and more. They are so small, yet they fulfill their duties with full dedication. In fact, they carry out their tasks very sincerely. Further, they are also very hardworking and intelligent as well. The ants inhabit an anthill where there are hundreds of little rooms and passages for all the ants. They have a queen ant who lays eggs that become perfect ants. The queen learns all the duties from the old ant and gets ready to survive in the world. Thus, they are creatures who teach us a lot of great things. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonali. Thank you so much. But one thing here I would like to say, Sonali, very good. Way of speaking is very nice.
Can I
Who is
speak, Kunal?
Kunal?
Sir,
Again, okay, beta, you can. Yeah, Kunal. Yes, beta, you can. Yes, Kunal, start.
the, chapter 1, The Tiny Teacher. An ant
Yes.
is the smallest, wisest, and intelligent insect in the world. It is hardworking.
Kunal, can you on your video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do on.
Sir.
Good. Thank you so much. Yes, now start.
And commonest intelligent insect in the world. It is a hard worker and it uses its feelers or antenna to talk with each other. We know some fact about ants because some people kept them as their pets. As the pets. An ant live in an ant hill or a nest. There are several hundred rooms passing by each other in an ant hill, and queen ant lay eggs in many rooms, and there are nurses to take care of the eggs. An
Very
ant
good. Very good.
an, an ant is peaceful with each other, and any soldier did not need to go out for searching of food. An ant queen go for wedding fly in summer with a drone and came back to
Thank
the
you so much,
worker
Kunal.
ants, and soldier take them and for airing, exercising and sunlight. And after 2-3 weeks the grubs appear, and after grubs appear 2-3 weeks they make cocoon and ant appear. When ant appears they learn how to they teach for building nest, working soldiers and replaced by olds. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Karan. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Dear students, here I would like to say that we just saw how Kunal or Karan, whatever, you saw how he was speaking. I want whatever you are being given the task, you must have to learn. You have to learn, beta. Don't see the book. Because for a long time, you have been studying. You are watching the books for a long time. आप तो लंबे समय से किताब पढ़ ही रहे हो, किताब से देख के लिखते ही हो. हम क्वेश्चन आंसर भी किताब से देख के लिखते हैं. बट अभी क्या है कि आपको विदाउट वॉचिंग द बुक्स, in your own words, you have to speak this story. Here, Sonali Mahapatra, hopefully you must have to learn. No need to see the books, right? And everyone, children, actually I wanted to open your mouth. Just start to speak. It's a very good practice for you. Whenever you speak, you will learn. Okay? So the purpose of taking the class is to make you to speak. I want to see you speaking in the class. मकसद ये है कि आप बच्चे जो है बोलते हुए दिखाई पड़े, आप पेरेंट्स के सामने, स्कूल के सामने, किसी अपने फ्रेंड के साथ में आप टॉकिंग करें इंग्लिश में, because you are just studying in English medium school, तो the purpose must be okay. तो इस बहाने आपको होना चाहिए कि हम इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं तो हमें भी बोलने आना चाहिए. Okay, so that's why I have given the task to learn it, right? Now here, yeah, Gunjan Kumari. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gunjan.
Ant is one of the smallest but the wisest insect. Ants communicate with each other through antennae. There are many kinds of ant. The most common of them all are black and red ones. They live in ant hills. mm,
Yeah,
mm,
good. Continue.
ants
Very good.
come out of eggs. Workers look after them. Soldiers guard them. Beetles, greenfly also reside in anthills because of them smell pleasant, others give sweet juices, and few of them are pets. Greenfly gives honeydew, and it is called as ants' cow. Ants can teach human being hard work, sense of duty, discipline, loyalty, etc.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Dear students, here you know very better. Gunjan is in front of me in my home, and she have not opened the books. Whatever she is saying herself, she have learned it. Because she is in front of me, so I am watching her. She not looking in the book. Okay, like her, you have to speak. I am not saying. I liked Kunal, Sonali Mahapatra, all very good. Now Ria Kumari 7A.
Sir.
Yes, yes, Ria.
Yes, sir.
Start. Yes, Ria. Can on your video, Ria. आप वीडियो अपना ऑन करो बेटा. Yes, बेटा. Speak. Good. Speak.
And an ant is smallest, the commonest and the biggest insect. We know a number of facts about an ant life because people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely.
Yes, continue.
In what ways in ant life peaceful? An ant life peaceful because he does eat work intelligently and behave intentionally and behaviorally and never fight with other members of each group. Each member has a designed space to stay and a definite work to do. A soldier and never goes out to search for food and similarly a worker never enters the dominant subsidal and thank you sir.
Thank you, Ria. Thank you so much. Yeah, good. Very good. Yes. Now Manisha Kumari, done. Manisha.
Yes sir.
डन. आपने बोल चुका. नो ना.
Yes sir.
क्या आप बोल चुकी.
Yes sir.
ओके.
एंड के बारे में हिंदी में
योगिता मिश्रा. Now Yogita Mishra. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me, Yogita?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yogita.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
start beta. Yeah, can hear. Yeah, yes. Start beta. Yogita. Can you hear me? I think she is unable to hear. Yogita Mishra, can you hear me? No, she can't. I think network problem. Huh? Okay. Deva, who is Deva here? Can you hear me? Deva on the screen. I am just reading the name. Deva. Yeah. Can you hear me?
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है इधर।
हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम सबको आएगा आज। जब टीचर पढ़ाएंगी ना तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम। या बेटा, मेरे को तो लग रहा है
सर,
सभी
आपने-
बच्चे जो है बहाना बहाना बना रहे हैं। आज
सर
जब
आज
बच्चे
टेस्ट
जो
है ना।
है जब जब टीचर पढ़ाते हैं तो आप बच्चे खुश रहते हो, अच्छा ठीक है टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं। जब आपसे पूछे जाते हैं तो सबका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होने लगता है। ऐसा तो मेरे को लग रहा है आज।
सर
आज लग रहा है
बुखार आ
मेरे
रहा
को
है।
ना कि आज जो ना कुछ बहाना बना रहे हैं बोलने के डर से। बट
यस
इट्स
सर।
नॉट अ गुड हैबिट। यदि इफ
Sir, can I
रियल द
say?
प्रॉब्लम इज सनी डोंट स्पीक। सनी कीप क्वाइट। बेटा आप ऑफ कर लो बेटा अपना। या गुड, गुड बॉय। यस रोहन कुमार शर्मा जी,
Yes, sir.
कैन यू हेयर मी?
Sir, can I say?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
हु?
Sir, can I say?
रोहन, रोहन या
Yes, sir.
योगिता? हु? हाँ?
Hello, sir. Rohan.
रोहन?
Yes, sir.
यस गुड, गुड रोहन। रोहन स्टार्ट बेटा। एंड ऑन योर वीडियो, वीडियो ऑन। रोहन गुड, यस वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा अपना।
Sir, on है.
यस नाउ इट्स ओके, स्टार्ट।
Ant is very small and intelligent for working, for hard working.
यस गुड,
Ant lives in ant hills for the pairs of queen of the ants, though the ants are comfortable of
यस यस कंटिन्यू। राइट रॉन्ग स्पीक।
the queen's pair of comfortable or pit pa, and very small of ants is India.
यस
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। आरोहन
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I speak?
थैंक यू।
Sir, Karan.
करण,
Yes, sir.
करण already you have spoken ना?
Sir, can I speak?
No, sir, my brother
योगिता,
spoke.
Yes, miss. Yes, sir.
now योगिता मिश्रा।
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you start.
One second, sir. The
And on your
ant
video.
is okay, sir.
Video must be on. Video must be on, Yogita. Yes, good.
The ant is a very small insect. We find ant in large number in our house. Some ants are black, some are white, and some are red. They remove the dead insect from our house. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Yogita. Thank you. Okay, now here I think Karan want to speak. Na? Karan, you want? Yeah, Kunal, who wants?
Sir, Karan.
Karan? Okay. Now
Yes,
your
sir.
net is okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, start.
The ants are tiny. Teacher say to they teach us to live in peace and Ants are the commonest, smallest, and the wisest insects. They live peacefully in their comfortable home called ant hills.
Yes, yes, continue.
There are many types of ant in the world, but the commonest ant are black or red ones. The 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 population of ants are very high. The queen ant having its wedding flight on hot summer day in the high up in the air with a drone. They come down and rid of their wing and lay eggs. After some time, the egg hatch and grubs appear. And after 2-3 weeks, the grub make a cocoon and live without food or activity for some time. The grub later become a cocoon. Sir,
Okay,
thank
good.
you.
Very good, very good. Karan and Kunal, thank you so much. Now, which number? Anis done, Deva done, Gunjan done, Ijhar. Yes, Ijhar. Can you hear me? Ijhar, can you hear me? Ijhar, I think he unable to hear. Rohan done, Sonali done, Sunny Kumar done, Yogita done. No more here. Okay, let us see, children. Here, I would like to summarize. Listen to me, everyone. This is a very golden opportunity for all of you. Whenever you are being given the chance by your teacher, take the benefits because it's a good platform for you. Here, you can learn a lot. If you speak, your hesitation will be removed. Just develop a good habit to speak with someone, among someone,
Sir, why is
before
it not?
someone. Just take a benefit because it's a golden chance for you. This is the process only by which we can learn a lot. If you not speak, you can't learn. So the purpose of studying the English is how to speak. It is a must. Reading, writing, and speaking. These three are a very important part of English language. And today you know very well that those who speak English well, they are getting a good job. So for this purpose, you must have to learn how to speak. And I saw many of the children, many of you is really speaking very well. I'm very happy to hear you all. This is a good effort by you. But whenever you are being given the chance, you don't tell, sir, I have not learned this problem, that problem. You don't show the problem. Just face. You tell me, come forward. Tell me, sir, I want it. It show your curiosity, your seriousness, how much you are serious towards the study. आप अपने पढ़ाई के प्रति कितने सजग हो, कितने जो है आप एक्साइटेड हैं के लिए, ये शो करता है. तो जब भी आपको चांस मिलता है, आप जरूर पार्टिसिपेट करें, जरूर बोलें कि सर मैं बोलूं. In this way, you can learn a lot. Only this is the way by which you can learn. Suppose you know you have so many vocabulary dictionary, but you are not using in a daily routine, in daily life, what it would be? आपके पास बहुत सारे ज्ञान है, आप उसे जो है खर्च नहीं करते हैं, आप यूज नहीं करते हैं, तो
इधर है तू ही है तू और उधर क्या सब है तू है और अंकुश देखिए अंकुश किधर वो अंकुश तू जा अपने जगह पे।
अनीश, आपके घर से आवाज आ रही है बेटा? अनीश, आपके घर से आवाज आ रही है बेटा? जस्ट ऑफ है योर ऑडियो, प्लीज लिसन टू मी। Yes, what I was saying that you must have to participate, develop the habit to speak in English.